Guys, here we go. This is my EMD steel bell / Graham White. It's got a Graham White acting clacker, as you can see. I know I rang it a million times. I just love it. I'm just loving it right now. Like, I can't. So yeah, this is how it's going. There. Here we got the mounting bracket and the air line and the air hose under there. Oh my, there's a bumblebee on there.
It's exciting, Jonah?
Dad, look there's a bumblebee on my bell.
Oh, that's not a bumblebee, that's just a honeybee.
Oh. Well, I should stand back maybe in case it stings, but just to get a good view of this good old thing. Man, I'm loving it right now. So yeah, that was my review. So yeah, this was off of a CPR, I believe. It has the mounting bracket just like as it curves right there, so it should be off of a CP rail. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to testing this thing on air. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah. Whew.